Samson, Gandalf and Hattie, Avery. This is still outside a minute ago. Harvey. What you doing, you? Harvey. Puppies. So we just moved the two terriers out. We've got an instant with Mama Bear, Puggy and little Randy Skittles there. Little Bones. Fiona's having none of it. Pretty girl's like, not to do with me. We've got Vera. Casper, Doodlebop and Ryder. You've got 3 kennels, you lot. So we've got Chiquita, we've got Cruz, Miss Mitski, Tucker, Chloe. Are you the odd one out? Are you the odd one out? Well, there's a surprise, isn't it? And then in here we've got Clara Bell and Flower. They're on outside. So there we go. And they're still playing.